live? Yes, sir. Yo, what up, Anarchy? How you going, man? Chilling? Sorry, I'm just getting my stream set up here. Pretty much good. Donkey Kong, what up, bro? King Kong, Donkey Kong. Chilling on XAU. Yeah, bro, same here. I only just got on, but we are so bearish. And I don't really want to try and call the bottom here, if I'm being honest. So this just looks like a retracement. AF under one way, Dayton, Tam from Launceston. Hell yeah, bro. That's mad. Sorry, I was a bit late to the stream. Man's got to sleep a little bit. I literally trade New York, go to bed, wake up, and Asia's open. So I just got to be careful because you know, I can't trade all the time. Hey man, g'day bro. How are you? You were shorting the end of New York and went out of the trade because day's end and hit TP. Oh, that's a bitch. Do you have to trade? Do you have to close in Forex or is it just futures? It's just futures, isn't it? Because the contracts expire. Bro, honestly, I want to look for shorts from here. I don't really care about much else. Gold moving like crazy tonight. Yeah, gold is moving like crazy this morning. Ain't it, purple tip? Oh, Forex is the same? What? Bro, I feel like I always used to hold trades on Forex overnight. on my one of one funding 50k that cost me $500, I held my contracts overnight, or my lots, whatever you want to call it. Lucky I failed. I'm still, this is the first time I've looked at the chart. I'm just having a little think here. Damn, this is like the first time gold has put in a down candle on the daily in so long. Or like at least a significant one. So I don't know, maybe we want to take this low all the way down here. You can hold trade in Forex? I could have sworn you could hold trades for like a week on Forex and it didn't matter. I could have sworn. Let's do a poll. We'll do a poll here. Here's the new hour. Get ready. That's why I waited today, because yesterday I think I was an hour early. Oh shit. The old man's calling. Give us 1 second, boys. Yo, sorry about that, boys. Had to make a call real quick. Asia session always goes one way with little to no manipulation. Yeah, I see that. I see that potentially happening. I reckon we take this low though. So I want to see if we get some sort of, like, I don't know, man. Like, I like that we're sort of in the middle of this imbalance on the 15. Already been sitting here for 2 hours waiting for a trade. I can't win them all, bro. How did I go last night on NQ? I took one trade on the eval, and that was a loss. And that's it. I didn't see anything that looked good enough to take on the express, personally. And that's probably going to be the case quite a lot. Like, I plan on being a very patient boy on this account. I've learnt my lesson. So let me make sure this is the right. Yeah. So this is my eval that I lost the trade on yesterday. And I actually lost the trade on gold on here yesterday as well. Caught some of that big move down on my sim fundeds. Gold just moves, man. This is incredible. Hell yeah, bro. That's good. That's good to hear. I'm honestly, like, cool to short pretty much anywhere here if we get some sort of setup. Like, I don't really see the reason that we would come all the way down this low. Like, I thought we would maybe come around here and just take this low and get a reaction around this level if we were going to be bullish for the day. So, like, you know, came down here, maybe take this low there, something like this, get what we're getting now, and then back up. We just came quite a bit lower. This is just my opinion, by the way. But, yeah, like, we came 150 points lower than that, and I reckon we'll come and take these lows. Hey, Saba. What's up, bro? I've been good. How about you? Long time no talk. That's my bad. I haven't been streaming, so I'll cop that one. Damn, we're ripping. I'd actually prefer to short if we could maybe take these lows here. This is the high of day. Shit, man, maybe we're putting in a wick here on the daily. Maybe we've already put in a bottom wick. You've been chilling, got blessed with a free express account from Topstep. Dude, what? You win a giveaway or something? Oh, can I show my trade I took on NQ last night? Yeah, sure, man. Unless I deleted it here. I can't actually remember the exact trade, bro. Dude, I can't remember it at all. Let me see if I got a screenshot. I haven't even journaled it yet. Oh, yeah, dude, it was such a stitch up. I do have a photo. Look at this. This was my trade. You can't make this shit up. I took this trade here. This was a 5-minute inversion. Wait, what time was this? I really took a terrible screenshot. Point is, bro, I got stopped out by like a couple points. And then I got stopped out by a couple points. Then we ran. These were the London lows down here. And we actually didn't even hit them. So I would have got stopped at break even anyway. So I'm almost glad that I just got... I mean, I'm not glad that I took a loss, but pretty, like, bit of an emotional roller coaster there. Like, if I had have not got stopped, gone down, then not hit TP, gone back up, would have been frustrating, honestly. Oh, so you were affected by the outage. I thought they just gave you an account for free. Or did they give everyone a free account? Also, if you guys trade on Alpha Futures as well, they also did reset accounts too. They were a little bit late to doing it, but they did. You looking for longs? Interesting. Oh. How many votes have we got here? 38% bullish, 60% bearish. The only thing that's freaking me out here is this daily imbalance that we're in that could potentially make me want to take longs as well. I think I'd want to see if we get some sort of reaction off this high of day. Because like if we just look at this, right, if I look at this like a baby, what I'm thinking is down, 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 down. Why do we now want to go up? All right, genuinely. Like if I'm just trying to stay in line with the trend, we're trending down. Especially considering that I trade on the lower time frame. But then on the daily, we're in this fair value gap. We've put in this big bottom wick on this candle and we haven't even put in the top wick. We put in the tiniest little top wick. So like maybe we are due for a little move up. I could even take a risky, I could even take a risky long, right? And go for something like this. And just go break even super tight. Nah, it's honestly not worth it at all. You've seen I've had success with trading gold during Asia, and you've been thinking of if I should start as well. What do you think? Bro, like, I had success on Friday last week. I took 3 huge trades. But at the end of the day, like, that is just one day. I really got to find out, like, how I do on gold over a longer period of time. But I don't see, like, dude, if I'm gonna be honest, making videos, talking about gold and stuff, all the comments about gold, same in the streams, everyone seems to fuck with gold. Everyone seems to do pretty good on gold. So I don't see a problem with it at all. Like, I'm not the only one who's sort of had to think about it. Long back up to premium. Wait for a break of structure. So you guys are switching bullish, huh? I'm not convinced just yet. I'm not convinced. I think we could. I'm just going to wait and see what we do off this level. Show me how you're thankful now. Have I got a risk lockout setting on? No, not on the eval. Not on the eval, bro. I probably should. But I'm risking 400 per trade on the eval. Bro, do you guys have issues with, like, desk chairs? This is this is probably my 5th or 6th chair, and I just never can find a comfortable chair. Like, I just don't like sitting. I just can't sit still. I'm always uncomfortable sitting in my chair, bro. Every time. You set yours to 1 trade per day? Yeah, I get that on a Express account. But, like, on the eval, I don't know, like, if I take a loss, the thing is I'm not that emotionally attached to the eval. So, I'm not going to get, I don't think that I'm going to get tilted on an eval when I've already got an Express ready to go. Gotta put this on Instagram real quick. Hey, say what up in the chat. Come on, please, someone say something. Yeah, there we go. Thanks, bro. Come on, 1 or 2 more comments. What up? Fuck it, that'll be fine. What time do I get on the charts to trade Asia? Usually around 11 a.m. my time. I got on at 12 today, so 20 New York time. I'm still getting to know those sort of things about the Asia session. Honestly, I'm still trying to work out my key times and that. So if anyone has any advice, feel free, bro. Let me know. I'm just so used to trading London and New York mainly, and not even really London. So I'm still just learning about best times and stuff like that. What up, Dawood? How are you, bro? Thanks for tuning in. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to put this on my story real quick. The Instagram's been growing like crazy, boys. Yeah, but it seems to me like at 20 we start moving a bit more, and then at 21 that's when we start to choose a direction, sort of thing. Usually. You're good. You were long on gold, but the previous day low has been swept and showing a good reaction. True, I didn't actually think about the fact that previous day's low had been swept. I was sort of waiting for this low down here. We're also holding this daily imbalance. Like I said earlier, I really just want to see if we can break above this high. Like, let's say we do something like this. We like break above this high, and then stay above it and hold it, and then get some sort of like inversion to the upside here. That would actually be a nice long that I'd maybe be willing to take. A little bit late to the party, but did your gold... Are you still in that long on gold? How my account's looking like? Topstep fucked because that outage. Had a really tough day today, but part of the game. Well, you should be able to get the accounts back, bro, if you got wrecked by that. They're refunding and resetting and stuff. So make sure you join Topstep's Discord, bro, and get it sorted out. I wasn't in any trades when that happened, so I'm all sweet. This is an eval, which is like $200 in drawdown. Then I got the Express here, which I haven't even taken a trade on yet. And I'm really just... If I'm being honest, guys, I would love to trade gold on this Express, or qualified, I guess I'll call it, because it's an Alpha Futures account. I want to trade gold on it, but I just don't quite have enough trust in myself yet. I haven't back tested it or anything. Yeah, I don't know. It's just a confidence thing. I think I'd rather just wait for the really good setups in New York that I know that I've taken heaps of times and I've seen them play out, you know? But yeah, the accounts are looking alright. And then I've also got this other eval, which is like blown. Like, I don't know how it... it's literally below the 48k balance. Oh, I've got $2.13 on it till the max loss. Should we take a stab, boys? One micro. See if we can get this out of the $2 of drawdown. Go to the 30-second. We'll try and find a scalp. Take longs. You know what I think we got to do? If I'm going to do that, I need to wait for a candle to put in a wick and then flip. If the candle flips, then I'll expect that we're not going to get much of like a drawdown, so I might be able to like bottom ticket. You were sitting in profits. There's no compensation for that. And yes, my God trade gave me 1 to 1.5 and I'm already out. Bought very low under previous day low. I don't really get it. So you did hit profit on it. Alright. One contract. I'm just going to buy or sell it depending on how the wick looks. Let's see if we can put in a bottom wick real quick. Yeah, sell on the flip or rejection. I think that's the only way with $2. Like, I don't know, I'll probably get liquidated the second that it opens anyway because of like fees. I don't think it's even possible. If you don't mind me asking, how much do I make off the affiliate links? Okay, I'll tell you guys because I'm transparent. One second. Alright. I don't know if I've got like any contracts that are meant to tell me not to actually mention it, but I've done $220 from Alpha Futures affiliate. I've done on Apex, I don't know, something like $100 to $200 in about 4 months, so not much. And Take Profit Trader, I haven't actually done any conversions at all. But it's nice, like it's a good little chunk, especially from Alpha. I promote Alpha a lot because I use them as well and I like them. But I'll tell you though, there are people who make a lot of money from affiliate marketing. Money is money, bro. Well done. Exactly. And you know what, boys? I'm not selling a course. So, you know, I put in a lot of effort into making these videos and it's nice to make a little bit of money from them in a way. And I'm not a course selling guru. I feel like it's a moral way to do things. People are going to buy accounts anyway. So, you know, if you're going to use someone else's discount code like TJR's, may as well plug my own one. Bro's got enough money. I think I heard, I don't know if this is true, but I heard My Funded Futures had Patrick Whelan on like $1 million a month for affiliate. $1 million. Have I got any payouts from Alpha? No, not yet, bro. Not yet. As long as your character is clean, you're good. Making content in affiliates is better as long as you're not scamming. 20 viewers go to 2,000 and 200 goes to 2,000. Well, yeah, I guess so, bro. That's the whole thing. And that way I can still make some money from making content and I don't have to fucking be a fraud. I can be honest with you guys. I can tell you guys that I haven't got a payout yet. What's good, JAYWAY? What's good, Annie? How are you, bro? You trading at the moment? Good brother, man. Only trading New York session? That's all good, bro. Any setups taken yet? No. I'm going to take this with 1 micro right now because I've got $2 of drawdown on this eval. Let's see what happens.
Order filled.
Holy. No stop loss. There's no point. No way. How does that happen? I don't know. I didn't get liquidated. See? I don't know if it's already been blown because it went under unrealized. This account's
Order
gone.
filled.
I don't care. Still got this one. Closing profit? Yeah, I probably should have. I don't really know what I was doing. Let's get off the 30-second now. Let's lock in. Okay, if we can come into this 5-minute imbalance here, I can even join it up with this one really. Like 50% of this down into this gap here. I'll drop down a time frame. What happened to that account? Did you post trade recaps or nah? I don't think so. That account was given to me for free. And I like low-key gambled it. I've had that for like a month. Do I still trade one-to-ones? Yeah, bro. I do. Only thing I've changed about my one-to-ones, which people seem to get confused about, a lot about, is when I'm at that one-to-one, right? So let's say I entered somewhere here, had a one-to-one. What I do is I want to see us like break above this level, like with a bit of momentum. So if this is my entry, right? Let's say we're coming up, we're in profit, we get here. I want to see us like burst up here. And if we can burst up there, that way I can just move my stop loss up to break even, right? And just make that my break even. And then anything above this is just extra profit, just free money. And just see if I can catch maybe to like this high up here or something like that. And that way, if we do come back down and stop me at break even, then I still catch a one-to-one. And that just like psychologically is nice because it makes me, I know that I have the opportunity to potentially make more and not, like if I'm 2 trades in drawdown, I'm like, okay, well I could technically make it all back in 1 trade. I'm not sure. Not gonna lie, from my own experience, trading Asian session is pretty bad for pretty much everything. Spreads are high and there's often just so much chop. How do I quantify a probable month? Do you classify it as probable if you end the month in profit in terms of RR? Oh, yeah, I actually look at the RR, not the profit, because like that's the thing, dude. In September, I was up like 11 or 12 R on the month, but because I was being an idiot with my risk management and changing around my risk, and then I was also taking like trades on different accounts, so like some of them were on the funded, some of them were on an eval, some of them were like paper, and so it's kind of hard to track like profit, so I just do risk to reward. You started trying one-to-ones because of my channel? You the goat? Oh, thanks, bro. Like, look, I don't think you need to live by trading with a one-to-one risk to reward. But for me anyway, it got me out of a big rut and it just helped me a lot. I think it really depends on your trading style. And you can do well with it. Shit, man. Chat's going ham right now. Someone asked where I was from, didn't they? Swear someone said something like that. Oh, which firm have I gotten payouts with in futures and where are you from? Okay, so I haven't got any payouts in futures yet. And I'm from Australia, bro. Asia session is my local session. I'm Asian. Just remember, going break even a lot might fuck your mind up. It did for me, so now you just take partials. See, the reason I don't like taking partials, I do take partials sometimes, but I don't like it. It messes up my data. I prefer to just be all in or all out. I really want to break below this low. Just like a little bit lower, dude. What's my current day job? Supermarket, man. It is hard to trade New York in Australia. I think I'll move soon. Where are you gonna move, bro? Perth? You can pretty much move anywhere in the world and have better times to trade. Perth's really good for New York. How long have I been trading? Like 2.5 years. Maybe 3. I don't know. Between 2 and 3. But I didn't take it seriously for a long time. I've probably only taken it seriously for 1 year. Have I gotten a payout yet? No, unfortunately not. I'm pretty close. Just got to get my winning days. Be patient. I reckon maybe not this month. Next month. I reckon November I'll be able to get my first payout. As long as I can follow my rules. Just low risk on the express. $200 a trade. Get those 5 winning days. And I should be able to get a payout. I know I can do it. The only reason I haven't been able to do it is because I just blow up emotionally all the time. Have I been trading futures the entire time? No, I haven't. I traded Forex for... I think I started trading futures before I made my YouTube channel. I believe. Did I ever make any Forex videos? What is my total amount lost? I don't know, dude. Couple $1,000. But look, like I said, bro, I got a job. I've had a job before I started trading. It covers my losses. And if you want to learn a skill like trading, you just have to take some losses. Just how life goes, bro. You've never seen a Forex video from me? I don't think I traded Forex on YouTube. Going down to the start. Yeah, nah. I always traded futures on here. But nah, guys, it's time to lock in. I've been trading for too long now to not be making any money yet. I blew my funded 2 weeks ago, and it's not happening again. Go slow on your funded account? Yeah, bro, I will. That's why I haven't been posting any trade recaps, because I haven't been taking any trades. And I haven't really been bothering to do trade recaps for the evals at the moment. Just gonna make a series of like me trading the funded, because I want to try and show you guys every trade on the funded up to a payout. I think that would be inspiring. How old am I? I just turned 21 a couple weeks ago. I wish I could say I was 20. I wanted to get rich while I was 20. Many of us started with Forex, then transitioned to futures. Yeah. Brother, you got time? You're young. Yeah. I just know that time goes fast, bro. I know time goes fast. Like, it's been 4 years now since I was in school. And I've been trying to fucking figure out how to get rich since I finished school. 4 years, bang, gone. I know I'm young, but before you know it, dude, before you know it, you fucking got kids and you got all these things you got to pay for, house, car. Same, bro, but life hit and had to get my CDL for a few years. Now I'm back on it knowing I'm settled. Yeah, I think I am lucky with that part, the fact that I still live at home and I don't have really, like, I don't have big bills I need to pay. Got to pay my phone bill. You traded for 5 years without making any money. Yeah. You're 21 too, and this year's pretty much disappeared. So happy you spent it grinding. Yeah. Have I tried other ways to get rich? Yeah, I have. Yeah, I tried dropshipping for a bit. I didn't fuck with it, honestly. I just realized that it's a scam. You're just reselling cheap things and ripping people off, so I don't like it. I think that I'm a good person, and I think that makes it hard to get rich. If I had bad morals, I would be able to get rich way easier. Are my parents supportive of me? Yeah, they are. They believe in me. We don't talk about it too much, but they know I still have a job and shit, so worst case, I just gotta go and get a job like everyone else. Like, you know, a real big boy job. If you have no morals, getting rich is the easiest thing in the world. Exactly. Here we go. That's that push down I wanted to see. That's good. Let's see if we can get a setup somewhere here. Something like this, potentially, off an inversion. Let's say we put in a low there or below this gap. I'm just calculating my position. Can I suggest a strategy? I've been trading for 4 months, 76% win rate, 1-to-1, 2 to 5 setups a session. Sure, bro. Sure. Message me on Discord. Join up the Discord there, and you can DM me or whatever. Does my girlfriend support me? Yes. Yes, she believes in me a lot. I honestly don't know how she believes in me so much, dude. But it does stress me out. Like, I want to prove her that she made the right decision to trust me on this shit. I'm very lucky. You're not a big fan of ICT, but if it works for you, then go for it. Appreciate that, bro. A lot of people are really fucking annoying about ICT sometimes. Let's see if we get this close here. Oh, I've got a 2 minute as well. I have to wait for this 2 minute. One sec. Best juice in Australia. Let's see if we get this close. This could be a really good trade. I like this. Ice break? Nah. Nah, dare. I do not like ice break. It's so like creamy. It's like thick. The milk tastes like it's like half off. Are you serious right now? Dare is so much better than ice break. It's not even a debate. We didn't get that close, so I gotta wait another 2 minutes. My monitor, like I've got my chat on this side and then I've got my charts on this side, and whenever I switch from looking at the chart to the chat, I'm like breaking the fourth wall and just like accidentally making eye contact right with the camera. Dare just doesn't taste right. I don't know, man. I do not like ice break. See if we get this closed now. One 5.5. I'm going with 2 micros if we get the close. Are we serious right now? Fuck. God damn it, dude. Now I gotta wait again. I'm waiting to long gold, yeah, but I'm not sure yet. I'm waiting for this inverse. So I want to see a close above it. Unc really wants to be in a trade. Nah, it's just really frustrating with IFVGs. when they like are about to close and then they don't, and then you have to wait again for another 2 minutes for the candle to close. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well too, bro. Fuck, I should have entered. I'll lower the cons to 1 and see if I can pyramid in. Okay, we'll
Order
go 1
filled.
here. And we'll put in another one if we get the close.
Order
Put in
filled.
another one there. It's a little bit more risk than I wanted, 450, but that's alright. Do I not trade gold on qualified? No, I don't. Not yet. I just don't have quite enough confidence yet to do that. Got in too late? Nah. We'll see. It might pull back down. It might. Do I trade gold during the New York session? I have been looking at it. Like I said, guys, like I only really started trading gold last week. Sniper DD. Yeah, gold moves nice during New York, but the reason I'm trading it during Asia is so that I can trade Asia, because NQ and that don't move quite as nice, I don't think. Feel like it's going into a range again. I don't know. I think we already got the pullback. The reason I'm thinking that is because we came back down into this 5 minute. Like, if this is the move back up and we want to take this high, at least this is a healthy pullback here. So I don't think we should come any lower. But if I lose this trade, I'm completely okay with that. That's my model, so. Damn, it's dumping there. This is fucked. Yeah, the candles don't even print properly during Asia on NQ and ES. Cut your losses, bro. Nah. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I understand if you guys don't think it's a good trade, but this is just how I trade. I'm just gonna keep trading the way that I trade, regardless of what people say. But I won't lie, it doesn't look great. You either win or lose. Ain't that the truth? That's the thing, it's always like, oh, it could reverse here and hit your stop. Huh, I don't know, dude. It could do anything. That's trading. That's what makes a market. Trade how you see the charts? Yeah, exactly. Man, you told me it would react from 4121 in live chat. Okay. If it makes a higher low, I would add. Or then try and get back to break even. Just let him trade, guys. Thank you. Never doubt JAYWAY. On God. Watch it reverse here and hit my TP. I really hope it does now. Deciding factor is the next 1 hour candle. Yeah, true. Fiji on the 1 minute. True. Let's just see, boys. Let's just see. It is a pretty big stop loss though, you're right. Especially now that price is like moving so slowly. 22 points. Got a nice order block on the left as support. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, fuck. Might have to close here in a second. Damn. The fuck? Oh, I just don't want that to put in a top wick. if that candle flips, I'm fucked. I need this momentum to just keep going. Oh. Sketchy. I'm letting this trade play out though, regardless. Because we are holding this level quite a bit. Why does Trump have orange skin? I don't know, he fakes tans, doesn't he? Makes him look less old. Oh god, this is cooked. Look at NASDAQ. Damn, Nas is ripping. Probably not good for gold, to be honest. What the fuck is this? I feel like closing. I'll close if we actually displace through here. Yeah, I'll close
Order
it.
filled.
$400 loss. I'm gonna be pissed off though if this low doesn't get hit. Oh, no way. Oh my fucking god. Nah, that's troll. That's actually troll. Fuck this shit, bro. Let's do this. Do I crash out? Poll. What the fuck? No, I'm not actually gonna, but that's so annoying, bro. They know how to inflict the most pain possible. Facts, dude, facts. Like, that's gonna rip now. Didn't fill TP on a 2.4k trade? What? Get all in on a bullish close? Nah. Gotta cop this loss on the chin, boys. Oh, that is really annoying though. Like my entry was what? Where was my entry? There. That's where I wanted to have my stop. Emotions ruined the whole trade. Not really, bro. To be honest, like I wanted to risk 400 on this trade. Let me tell you guys why I actually closed my trade. So I wanted to risk 400. I went in with 2 micros, but I actually had about 500 risk on the table. Then, when we started displacing below this low, it just looked like we were going to take this low. So I was like, well, I may as well take that $400 loss instead of making it 500. And then we decided that no, actually we're going to go up. So that's just unlucky, bro. That's just unlucky. How much am I up on the eval? I'm not. I'm down on the eval. Bro, I'm checking your channel for the first time. Please tell me why the hell silver and gold falling like this. I don't know, bro. At least I got a funded to lock in on. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, bro, I'm just trading on the eval during Asia session. I'm just getting the ropes. I'm not taking any trades on Express. Trump and China, that's why it's falling. Fall in love with the process, lest the results be the byproduct. I think I FOMO'd at first and then didn't calculate your contract size properly, which affected my emotions. Well, it was either 1 or 2 micros. 1 micro would have been way undersized. Don't dwell on the loss. It's fine, bro. If I only had an eval, I'd probably be pissed. But I'm just having fun here, boys. You smoke over there, bro? Well, it's not legal, but yeah, you can get it. Can you just get it from like a shop in Boston? Yeah, I pretty much learned trading by myself. I've joined some free discords and stuff, but I haven't been in a mentorship or anything. What's up, bro? How the market's treating you? I just got kind of done dirty here because I closed my trade, thinking it was going to stop me out, and it didn't. So, not trading me the best today. I took a loss on gold yesterday as well on the eval, but yeah. Yeah, I learned in Dodgy's free Discord. I was in there quite a lot, but now I don't look at it because what I sort of realized is everyone in there trades the same way, similar to me, and everyone's just arguing about whether it's a good trade or not all the time. And then when the trade fails, everyone's like, oh, I told you so. And then when the trade wins, everyone's like, yeah, I told you it was going to work. It's like, fucking hell, dude. I recommend you to wait for price to come down to the demand zone and buy a 1-to-1. Honestly, I'm probably not even going to take another trade. I'm probably just going to take my 1 loss and wait till New York session tonight. Is what my thinking is. Wow, bro, I can't believe that shit. I actually can't believe that shit. That was dumb that I closed that trade. Some paper trading? Yeah, I could do that. I could paper trade. But my trading view's delayed because I don't have it connected to CME. So I have to paper trade in delayed markets, which I'm not going to do on stream. I would have gone into another trade, but only 52% of people said that I should. Nah, I'm joking. Alright, man. Well, I might call that an end to the stream. That's another Asia stream where I've gotten freaking wrecked, but that's all good, dude. If you guys want to catch up with me when I'm trading the New York session later on, make sure you join up the Discord. I'll send the link one more time. I'm usually in the voice call on there trading New York. It's good fun. So yeah, bro. Thanks everybody for tuning in. It's a good stream. I got a little bit unlucky, so we'll see. I'll update you guys. I might do a trade recap if this ends up running, because I got some shit I can probably learn from this one. Alright, peace out, boys. Catch ya.